Planning to explore Manila, but don't want to lug your bags around all day? Radical Storage offers a fast and secure way to store your luggage while you enjoy the city. In this video, I'll show you how to use Radical Storage, a trusted platform with secure, insured luggage storage options, to deposit your bags at a local storage point in Manila. Radical Storage partners with local businesses like hotels, shops, and cafes, ensuring that your luggage is stored securely while you explore the city. For your safety, it's important to use only the official Radical Storage website. You could search for Radical Storage online, but always be cautious of potential phishing sites. Use the secure link provided in the video description to access the trusted Radical Storage site. Once on the site, simply type Manila in the search bar, and a list of storage locations across the city will appear. Choose a convenient location, whether it's near tourist attractions, transport hubs, or the city center. Next, select the drop-off and pick-up times that suit your schedule and proceed to payment. Radical Storage offers secure online transactions, so you can book your luggage storage with confidence. After your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number along with directions to your selected luggage storage point. When you arrive, simply show the reference to the staff, and they will securely store your luggage. And that's all there is to it. Now, you can explore Manila freely, knowing that your bags are safe with Radical Storage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.